Well, one of the things I pride myself on is finding other insurance. In fact, I just got hired on a case where a prior lawyer was fired because they were blaming him for the car accident. And the other driver tried to pass him through a no passing lane. It was the median where you turn left or right, tried to go around him because he was going, in their mind, too slow. But they blamed him for the accident, which is nonsense. And so he fired that attorney, hired me, and they're saying there's only 25,000 in insurance. Well, you got to look at several things. Is the driver different than the owner of the vehicle? Is the driver a minor and possibly living in an apartment, but the parents own the car, living in a house? And there's all kinds that you need to look at, all kinds of things you need to look at. Are there other possible culprits? I mean, did the city design the intersection wrong? There's a lot of things that need to be looked at. I would not take at first statement from the insurance company that this is all the insurance that's out there. They would, of course, qualify that eventually saying, well, on this policy, well, maybe there's two or three other policies. So there's a lot to look at. And sometimes it's very common with a police officer, a school teacher, a realtor, that in addition to their auto insurance, they're going to have an umbrella policy in case they're accused of making a mistake while on the job. I had one case where a realtor caused a car accident. She had 100,000 on her liability policy. However, she had $1 million umbrella policy as a realtor, and we were able to tap into that and get all of that coverage as well. My client ended up, when we looked at all the policies, if you don't ask, they're not going to tell you. When we got the dirt on all the policies, it turned into $1.5 million settlement case. But if you had just taken them for their word, this is our coverage, you would have gotten 100 grand and that would have been it. And I would chalk that up to 33 years of experience. The insurance companies, they're not your friend, but they can get in trouble if they overtly lie, so they qualify things. You just have to be able to keep an eye on the keywords that will tell you maybe they're not telling me everything here, maybe there's something else. I require affidavits, making sure that they've disclosed all insurance. I don't know of any attorney that does that. I require them to do that. I won't accept settlement. You'd be surprised. With, oh, yeah, I forgot about this policy. Oh, yeah, my uncle had this policy. I mean, things turn up. If you don't dot the I's and don't cross the T's, you're not going to get the best result you can get.